Didn't Bird shoot left-handed for an entire game against Portland?
Larry told all of us and the media, he said, tomorrow night's the last game of the trip. I'm going to play this one left-handed.
Cracker got an AR, like he shooting schools up. Yellow wide body, Hellcat look like a school bus. Dove up in that water, I ain't had no scuba. Glock on my lap, up and blow like a tuba. You just a hang bitch, I don't get two fucks. You just like to talk a lot, you ain't finna do nothing. They just like to pocket watch, so I got some zippers for them. I got P's and zippers for them. What they need, I get it for them. Don't loud, it's annoying, bitch, you can't ignore it. On that porch, right till early morning, try and get it on. We get cheap like Asiago, pockets they on double portion. Bitch, I'm popping like some bubbles blowing.